sitting like uncomfortably. There we go. Ready? Hands. Yes. Ready? Sit. Yeah, good job. Good boy. Can't do too many of these because they're hard. Ready? Hands. Yeah. Good job. Ready? Sit. Oh, careful.
He's like, I will do whatever for it.
Okay, let's try one more. A little more calm.
Too late, he's already hyper.
Hands.
Yep. Butts up in the air, tails
Sit.
up.
Nice.